Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Caliber Home Loans account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Caliber Home Loans login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option over here where it says Caliber Home Loans, you want to click on it. And make sure it takes you to caliberhomeloans.com. It's the official website of Caliber Home Loans, alright? Once you click on it, it'll bring you to its page. Once you're over here, what you want to do is, at the side you can see the sign in to my account option. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the login page. Now once you reach the login page, you need to enter your login details in order to log into it. Like this over here where it says username, enter the username of your account, and after you enter your username, click on next, and on the next step it's going to ask you for the password of your account. Enter the password of your account, click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Caliber Home Loan account. It's that simple. And if you forgot your username and password, you can click on this to recover it as well. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.